Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today I'm going to show you our 72 K5 Blazer. We built this truck, kind of a 4-year project, so not a lot of flaws on it. Paint is awesome. My shop did the work. Look at the shine there. I think new grill, new bumpers. I got a ton of receipts, new surround, vintage air, rebuilt motor, rebuilt tranny, new tires, rally wheels, new trim, tons of weather stripping. Interior's all been redone. Stereo system, like I said, vintage air, new style, or the classic type radio. We put the little steering wheel on instead of the big one. Door shuts good, except for when the windows up, because all this new weather stripping on the top. So my only disclosure on this vehicle, otherwise this is a video where I could stand 10 feet away because there just isn't any flaws to show you. We had to buy an aftermarket top gate. Most of them are bad, and ours was too. So, but like I said, look at that shine on this thing. It's like a mirror. So nice. And this paint is about 2 years old probably. So, and it still looks this good. We haven't drove it. We got about 50 test miles on it. That would be about it. So, but if you like a stock one, it's got 350 turbo. So no LS or nothing, just a nice stock Chevy Blazer. 605-695-73